Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Ring Always Home app on your phone. Let's get started. First, tap the Ring Always Home icon to open it. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store. When the app opens, you will see the welcome screen. Tap Login to get started. Enter the email address or phone number you choose to create your Ring account. Double check it to make sure it's correct. Next, type your password. Make sure it's the one you set for your Ring account. If you forget it, tap forget password and follow the instruction to reset it. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you will receive a code through text or email. Enter the code in the app to verify your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard with all your Ring devices like cameras, doorbells. You are now ready to monitor your home from iPhone, and that's it. Logging in to the Ring Always Home is quick and easy. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.